Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will tell you how we can set up React and Tailwind CSS. For that purpose I will use the official Tailwind CSS site, which is here, and follow this guide and use this command step by step to create our project for the React and Tailwind setup. For this purpose I just copy this command from here and paste in the terminal. Paste in the terminal. I just go to the project folder. Where is the project folder? Remove this. Here is my. This is the project folder. Paste this command and sit into the project and just copy and paste the command. Just copy and paste the first command and then the second one also. Paste it here and press enter.